It's modern segregation. This is setting up a civil war. Burn the circus down, cause the world is full of clowns. They're all stupid and they're proud, painted smiles on their mouths. I don't hang with bozos, homie, I can't be around you. Anyone who knows me knows my feet don't fit in clown shoes.
Alright, what is going on, everybody? We are in another part of the world. Elevator. Alright, we're in another part of the world. We are in Vilnius, Lithuania. Obviously, you know what I gotta do. I gotta show you guys a hotel room, show you guys the view. We're gonna go around. This is the capital, Lithuania. So we're gonna go around and gonna show you guys stuff that I can see in a couple of days. So let me do some work and let's get right into it. Not too bad. Give you guys a bathroom. Oh yeah, see, I missed my own rule. Gonna put this in here and let there be light. Bathroom. Got a decent 2 shower heads, that's pretty dope. But the view is pretty good. So cue the drone footage in 3, 2, 1, and view. So yeah, that little drone shot. So this is my surrounding area. I'm in Vilnius, I think that's how you pronounce it. You read the title in the thumbnail correctly. I am in the G spot of Europe. Now, I never coined it. I never coined it that, just take a look.
Now, Lithuania's capital city is Vilnius, and not many people know much about it, which is why it launched a daring tourism campaign this week. And I could tell you about it, but I think it's probably better that you just watch it for yourself. That's real. That is real. The new tourism campaign of Vilnius is Vilnius, the G-spot of Europe. Well, according to this actual poster from the campaign, it's because nobody knows where it is, but when you find it, it's amazing. And look.
So yeah, I mean, that's pretty funny, right? Well, as hilarious as that sounds, this city has any kind of scenery that you could dream of. It has obviously cities with, you know, tall buildings. This thing has woodsy areas. It has a nice artsy fartsy kind of areas. It has a Gothic Renaissance, which is my favorite. You know, I love some old shit. Vilnius, if you guys did not know, is the capital of Lithuania. So I'm just spitballing some facts at you, some stuff that I researched before I came up here. So there is a university here, which is the oldest university in the Baltic, it's dating back to 1579, I believe. So they got their independence back in, I want to say 1990 or 1991. There's so many different cultures here. I'll let one of the locals go into a little bit more detail.
Vilnius is not a true international metropolis yet, but it's ethnically diverse. Around 65% of the people are ethnic Lithuanian, while 14% are Polish, 12% Russian, and 9% come from one of as many as 128 ethnicities that live here.
That's pretty cool in my opinion. I love some diversity. So right now we're gonna go check out the Cathedral Square. So let's get right into it, get some footage, some drone footage, stuff like that. I just wanna go explore, man. Let's go check this place out. I love traveling. And boom, there you have it, the Cathedral Square. Let me turn this around. Next, we're going to go up there. That is the, I'm gonna butcher this name, the Gediminas Tower, or the Gediminas Castle Tower. This would be the corner half of the castle if it actually stood up. You could see everything else is knocked down, but the thing that remains is this one single column right here. So we're gonna take these stairs and we're gonna walk up there. And boom, here we are. I'm not sweating, it's a piece of cake. I'm not tired, you're tired. Well, you know your boy Ron can't go anywhere without looking at some badass churches, and I have a very nice church to show you guys. Boom, the St. Anne Church. Hopefully we can, oh, the door's open, so hopefully we can go inside. Well, that was absolutely beautiful, but absolutely embarrassing. I felt like I was interrupting. Obviously, I was filming them praying, so it's not really a good thing, but St. Anne Church, man, it's fucking beautiful. I shouldn't say that because I'm in front of a church. Lord, forgive me, I'm sorry. Dad, forgive me, I'm sorry. Everything went crazy. Hi. But it's not so bad. I love it. One of my favorite things about Vilnius is not actually a part of Vilnius. So where I'm at right now is the Republic of Uzupis. And what the Republic of Uzupis is, back in 1997, this place actually declared its independence from the country and actually from the city of Vilnius. So basically what they did was, so they have their own flag, they have their own sheriff, their minister, and they actually have their own constitution, which is pretty badass in my opinion. And yes, their constitution in all these different languages. So I'll show you the American one. It's actually really, really cool. All right, so you walk down. The only thing that sucks about videotaping these is they're mirrored. So here's the American version. So if you want to pause it, I'll back up a little bit, pause it, and read all their constitutional rights. I'll read a few. A dog has a right to be a dog. Amen to that. Everyone has a right to be happy. Everyone has a right to be unhappy. And that's just super cool. My opinion, and yes, I'm sitting here in the middle of the river that separates Vilnius from Uzupis. I'm sitting in a river. It's maybe 30 degrees out, talking to you guys. But yeah, and I live life, man. This is what it's all about. Honestly, it's cold, but hey, it is what it is. And yeah, this is just one of the many parts of the city and this tiny little island or republic that I love about this place is you can express your artistic mind. There's no judgment here. I love it a lot. It's great. The people are fun. Everything's fun here. Everything's just different. So just enjoy it while you can, man. Life's too short. Sometimes you just gotta put your feet in the water and enjoy life. See, you're nice to encourage people. Absolutely. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. And they're eating it up. And that right there is why I love life. Doing stuff outside the box, getting people outside their comfort zone. They seen me sitting out there and they wanted to try it. I said, when's the next time you plan on coming out here? Live a little. It's just cold water. It's good for the body. And she went out there and she did it, and her family's laughing at her, and it's all about memories, man. It's really all it is. All right, but probably one of my favorite places in Uzupis is this tiny little courtyard right here. This courtyard is full of character. It's got everything you could think of, from pants with soil in it, with shoes, it looks like a person, from bicycles hanging from the wall. It's got looks like a picnic table with a TV on it. all the way up on top of the wall. Old VHS tapes with the TV. I mean, it's got a rotary and cordless phone. This place is like straight out of Alice in Wonderland, and it has so much character, and I like shit like this. No judgment, just very open-minded, artistic expression. I love it. You know, it's funny that we're stuck behind this tour bus, because that's actually where we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, go. Boom. There we are. There it is. Castle of Trakai, I believe. There's I'm probably butchering the name, Trakai, whatever, but this castle was built in the 14th century, as I want to say. My hair is horrible. I want to say it started construction like 1409 by the Grand Duke out here. And just to think, this bridge back in the 14th century was how they got all the material over to build this castle back in the 14th century, which is pretty astounding in my opinion. Now, the castle was rebuilt back in the 1950s, 1960s, but you got to remember that was under Soviet power. The Soviet Union rebuilt it to the best of their abilities, but as you see it stand right now, it's basically just brick and wood. It's astounding to see the structure up as it still stands today after everything that it's been through. Well, yeah, that's my little trip in Lithuania. I didn't really get to discover as much as I can. I didn't really uncover a quarter of the stuff that I can because I've been extremely busy at work. Do like 1 or 2 rounds at a time. Forward. All right, now put it on. Now rack it. You're good to go.
Gun one, green gun, run.
Once the rounds are in, close it because it shoots from the open bolt position. Right. Now rack it. You're good to go now. Holy shit. Yeah, so I'm probably going to come back here sometime in the summertime. I'm in August, baby. If you guys don't know, I'm a Leo, and August 8th is a special kind of day in Lithuania.
The government chancellor was dissatisfied by the fact the advertisement of this campaign will be published on International Orgasm Day, as well as before the official visit of the Pope in Lithuania.
Okay, so first, don't worry about the Pope. He should be very into a G-spot campaign, since his main thing is believing in something no one can scientifically prove exists. And second, you did hear right, International Orgasm Day was actually on the 8th, and that means you forgot to call your mom again. But don't worry, you can just send her one of those happy belated Orgasm Day edible arrangements. That's what they're for. She'll love it.
Yeah, International Orgasm Day. So you're gonna have to go check that shit out, or I'm gonna have to go check that shit out. But you know, compare me to your ex-boyfriend right now, because apparently I came too soon. So see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. Coming up on a checkpoint. Let's see if I get stopped. There's a bunch of them over there. Hello. Hello. Passport?
Yes, please.
There you go, brother. Military ID.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Good to go? You want to open up? Yeah. Definitely. All right, have a good day. It's as simple as that. We made it through the checkpoint. So cool. As soon as they see the military ID and they check the back seat or check the back hatch, good to go.
It's modern segregation. This is setting up a civil war. Burn the circus down, cause the world is full of clowns. They're all stupid.